It's a popular name, an aromatic herb, and a person brimming with wisdom. After watching this video, you too will be full of knowledge, at least about this plant. Today, we're cleansing our lack of knowledge and filling the air with facts about the common garden foliage, sage. This aromatic herb has been valued for thousands of years for its culinary uses, medicinal properties, and even its spiritual symbolism. From the kitchen to ancient rituals, sage has a story worth telling. Let's discover what makes sage such a remarkable plant. This video is dedicated to my daughter. Thanks for suggesting it. Sage is a perennial, evergreen shrub in the mint family. It's native to the Mediterranean region, but now it's grown all over the world. Sage is known for its soft, grayish-green leaves and strong, earthy aroma. Sage is wonderful to touch. The plant is covered in tiny hairs, giving the leaves a velvety texture. It produces small, purple, blue, or pink flowers, which attract pollinators like bees. Sage is in the same family as rosemary, oregano, basil, and thyme, and it's got the scent to prove it. Sage is a hardy plant that thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It's drought-tolerant and perfect for herb gardens. You can grow it from seeds, cuttings, or starter plants. Regular pruning encourages fresh growth and prevents the plant from becoming woody. While common sage is the most popular variety for cooking, there are many types of sage, from purple sage and golden sage to pineapple sage, each with unique flavors and appearances. We live in North Carolina and tried growing Mexican bush sage in our yard. It did not work out. But with over 900 varieties of sage, we have lots of other sage plants that we could try growing instead. Sage is a staple herb in many kitchens. It has a warm, slightly peppery flavor. It pairs beautifully with fatty meats like pork, lamb, and sausage, and it's a classic seasoning in Thanksgiving stuffing. Fresh sage can be chopped and added to dishes, while dried sage is often used in spice blends. There's also sage butter, a delicious topping for pasta and roasted vegetables. Italian cuisine uses sage in dishes like saltimbocca, while British cooking often includes sage in savory pies and sausages. Sage contains essential oils. It also has rosmarinic acid, which has antioxidant properties. The plant's aroma comes from these oils, which can vary based on the variety and growing conditions. In scientific studies, sage extracts have been shown to improve memory and attention, possibly by increasing levels of certain neurotransmitters in the brain. Sage has been part of human history for millennia. The Romans considered it a sacred herb and had special rituals for harvesting it. During the Renaissance, European scholars praised sage as a cure-all. In China, sage tea became popular after Dutch traders brought it from Europe, and it was considered so valuable that Chinese merchants reportedly traded large amounts of tea for small amounts of European sage. Sage has deep cultural significance in many indigenous North American traditions. White sage, in particular, is used in smudging ceremonies, burning the leaves to cleanse spaces of negative energy. This practice is sacred to certain Native American tribes and has been passed down for generations. Sage also appears in folklore worldwide. In some European traditions, it was believed that a garden with thriving sage meant that the household was safe and prosperous. Sage has a long history as a medicinal herb. The name salvia comes from the Latin salvar, meaning to save or to heal. Ancient Egyptians used sage for fertility. The Greeks and Romans used it to aid in digestion and treat wounds. In medieval Europe, sage was thought to prolong life. Herbalists prescribed it for sore throats, coughs, and memory improvement. Modern research suggests that sage contains antioxidants and compounds that may have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and cognitive benefits. As a given name, sage has grown in popularity in recent decades, appealing to those who appreciate its natural, spiritual, and gender-neutral qualities. It blends the beauty of nature with the timeless sense of calm and insight. The word itself traces back to the Latin spenis, meaning wise or knowing, which is why sage is also used to describe a wise person. In many legends and fantasy tales, a sage is a mystical figure. This wise guide lives apart from the world in hidden libraries, mountaintop temples, or deep forests, offering cryptic advice and powerful truths to those who seek them. Often the sage is not just a keeper of knowledge, but a guardian of balance, using their wisdom to steer heroes towards their destiny, while reminding them that true understanding comes from within. The word sage can sometimes be interchanged with wizard, though they are technically different mythical beings. And now, it's time for some fun and fascinating facts about sage. But before we do, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed the content so far, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a fact-filled video. And please do me a favor and check out some of my other videos as well. And let me know in the comments how you would use sage. I use sage as part of a spice mixture that I put into many things that I cook. Thank you for watching. And now, onto some fun facts about sage. There is an old saying, "Why should a man die when sage grows in his garden?" And it comes from the medieval belief that sage had life-extending powers. While sage leaves are the more common use for the plant, sage flowers are also useful. They are edible and can be used to garnish salads. In the Victorian era, there were rules for flowers called florography, and sage symbolized wisdom and long life. Roses also symbolize something. Check out my rose video to find out what. While sage is safe in normal culinary amounts, concentrated sage oil should be used with care due to compounds like fudgeon, which can be toxic in large doses. Pregnant individuals should avoid excessive amounts of certain sage varieties. Sage is a drought-tolerant plant, thanks to its aromatic oils and tiny hairs on its leaves, which minimize water loss. Sage is one of the ingredients in Four Thieves vinegar, a concoction believed to protect against the plague. From its earthy flavor in the kitchen to its ancient role in medicine and ceremony, sage is far more than just a seasoning. It's a plant steeped in history, culture, and science. Whether you grow it in your garden, cook with it, or study its traditions, sage has a lot to offer. Thank you for joining me on this herbal adventure. If you enjoyed learning about sage, you might enjoy this other video all about the aromatic plant lavender. Parents and teachers, check out the link in the description for educational resources. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to get messy and make lots of mistakes today. Bye!